A commercial-grade extended duster delivers reach, durability, and particle capture that basic household dusters cannot match for office cleaning. Commercial extended dusters are built with stronger cores and reinforced connection points, so they tolerate repeated use and the twisting required to clean high vents or light fixtures. Choose a telescoping extension that locks securely at multiple lengths, so you can work from ground level to ceiling with one tool and avoid ladder use. Opt for duster heads made from microfibers with a high denier and electrostatic properties because they attract fine particles rather than just pushing dust around. These heads also wash and air dry without losing loft, which reduces ongoing replacement cost. Look for replaceable heads and a simple release mechanism so you can swap soiled pads quickly between rooms without cross-contamination. Select handles with ergonomic grips and a balanced weight distribution to reduce wrist fatigue during long cleaning sessions and to maintain control when reaching overhead. Finally, maintain your duster by shaking outdoors after use, washing heads according to manufacturer directions in warm water with mild detergent, and inspecting locking mechanisms monthly to catch wear before it becomes a failure. Common mistakes start with choosing a flimsy extension that bends or collapses under load, which leads to poor contact and wasted time. So pick one rated for overhead use and test it at full extension before buying. Another typical issue is using heads that only smear dust onto surfaces. Replace those with true microfiber or electrostatic materials and launder them properly to restore performance. A third concern is neglecting user comfort, which causes rushed cleaning and missed spots. So prioritize an ergonomic grip and practice a slow, methodical sweeping pattern while keeping the head parallel to surfaces for consistent capture. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and offers project listings that relate directly to maintenance and office cleaning upgrades. So we help people find pros who supply commercial-grade tools and services. We also host a discussion community where we share product experiences, contractor recommendations, and practical tips so our users can learn from each other and make better choices.